Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you a quick and easy way to buy some Algorand on Binance. So for this transaction we're gonna need some USDT. So if you have any other cryptocurrency that you are using and you would like to use it to buy some Algorand, go ahead and click convert and convert that cryptocurrency into USDT. Once you're done with that, we're gonna need to go to the USDT one and click convert over there. And then we're gonna go ahead and find Algorand in the list, which has a symbol of ALGO. And then we'll choose the amount of USDT we want to convert. In this case, I'm gonna use the max amount. And then we'll preview the conversion, which is gonna let us know how much ALGO we will get. And then we'll have 5 seconds to convert it. I'm gonna go ahead and convert it, and that's it. You're done. Now you have some ALGO in your wallet if you go back and check. Once the wallet loads, you'll see that your current Algorand balance has been updated. That is all. Thank you.